Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how the cylinder formulas are derived from the cylindrical shape. So for that, first we'll take a cylinder. So if you want to imagine a cylinder, just take one pencil without any sharpening. If you look into your pencil, you can see the topmost part to be of circle as well as the bottom is also of circle. So I can say in a cylinder, there are two circles which is one at the top as well as one at the bottom. Now we have to know about the center part, right? So center part is actually over here. So I want to know which shape is this belongs to. So what I'm going to do, we'll cut the center part. So if we cut it in a cross section Y, so we will get a rectangle. So again, if I swirl this rectangle, I'll be getting upside one circle as well as at the bottom end one more circle we will get. So for this rectangle, how to find the area of the rectangle? We know it is L into B. So what is L? Just now I told when you are swirling this rectangle again, so it is going to form a circle at the bottom as well as at the top. So what can I consider as length? Can I consider this as the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r, because when you are swirling it, you are going to get the circumference of a circle. That's the reason we are taking length as 2 pi r. And for a cylinder, what is this part? That means from the top end to the bottom end, we can say this as the height of the cylinder. So over here also this breadth is equivalent to height. Hope you can understand. So what we are dividing the cylinder into three parts. One is the top end and the other one is the bottom end. Both are circle. Now the third part is the intermediate part of the top and bottom. So if I cut this the center part, it is going to become a rectangle, and this rectangle is going to have length and breadth. So what is the length? If we swirl around, it is going to be the circumference of a circle. That's why our length is going to be 2 pi r, and the breadth is nothing but the height of the cylinder. So we have found all these things. What are all the shapes it is holding? Now we need to derive the formula, right? So first we'll derive the total surface area. So what is total surface area? It's nothing but the area of all the available shape. So what are all the areas we know in this cylinder? So 1 pi r square at the top and another pi r square at the bottom, because both are circle, and the another one is the center part, which is a rectangle. And what is the rectangle formula? L into B. Over here L is 2 pi r and B is H. So this one I can arrange and make this to be simplified as 2 pi r into r plus h. So if you simplify, we will be getting this as a result. So what is the total surface area of a cylinder? It is 2 pi r, the whole bracket, r plus h. Now we'll see what is the curved surface area. We can say even a lateral surface area too. So what is curved surface area? So you should not consider the topmost part as well as the bottom part. Only the sideways you have to calculate. So if I'm calculating the sideways, then what I will get? I will get only this rectangle part. So this is nothing but the curved surface area. So what is curved surface area? Which is 2 pi r into h. It's 2 pi r h. Now we are going to find the volume of a cylinder. So whenever you are finding the volume of any shape, you have to calculate the base area and the height. So in a cylinder, the base area is circle, which is pi r square. And what is the height of the cylinder? It is h. So it's going to be h. So what is the volume over here? It is pi r square h. So these are all the formulas for cylinder. Hope you understood. Thank you.